Are you trying to choose between Razorpay and PhonePe? You're not alone. Many people wonder which payment tool is better for their needs. In this video, we will compare Razorpay and PhonePe. Both are popular payment solutions, but they serve different purposes. Razorpay is mainly for businesses. It helps them accept online payments easily. It offers features like payment gateways, invoicing, and subscription management. This makes it a great choice for e-commerce sites or any business needing smooth transactions. On the other hand, PhonePe is more focused on personal use. It's an app for making payments, transferring money, and paying bills. It's user friendly and great for everyday transactions like shopping or splitting bills with friends. Now, let's look at the key differences. Razorpay is designed for businesses, while PhonePe is for individual users. Razorpay has more advanced features for managing payments, while PhonePe is simpler and easier for casual users. When it comes to features, Razorpay offers tools for analytics and integration with other platforms. PhonePe has features like UPI payments and mobile recharges. If you need a robust system for your business, Razorpay is the way to go. But if you want something quick and simple for personal use, PhonePe is perfect. In terms of pricing, uh, Razorpay usually charges a fee for transactions, while PhonePe is mostly free for personal users. However, businesses using PhonePe may have different charges. So, which one should you choose? If you run a business and need advanced payment solutions, go with Razorpay. If you just want to send money or pay bills easily, PhonePe is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.